Hi, my name's Andy, and I'm going to take you through how to manage shift reports using Weever. So here we have the form builder. You can see there's a number of forms that are available. These are all templates that you can use. The first field is an info box where we've injected an iframe from our Power BI integration that shows the report. So if somebody wanted to review what happened in the last shift, they can do that. Then there's metadata about the shift. And then we have a number of multiple choice scoring fields that allows for you to inject cycle time and multiply that by production hours to get the production goal for that given product. And then the team can add the actual units produced, and they can add multiple products if they had a changeover and completed multiple products. If there's an incident, you can use conditional logic to present the incident report form, and the same for abnormalities. You can inject any form that you'd like into it. So the staff just simply select the shift report for the given shift. In this case, we've just made the shifts colors. You can name them whatever you like. They can review the report from the last shift and add the information around their shift, what line they're on, and so forth. Then they simply select the product and the amount of hours that they're producing that product for, and then the calculation automatically tells them how many of that product they should be producing. They can add the actuals, and then they can add additional products that they're producing. So in this case, the time remaining on the shift is 0.5 because there's 30 minutes allowed for a shift changeover. And so the production goal is 1200 and they produced 1000. Then if there was an incident, they can report that incident by clicking on the link there, which loads the incident form, where they can add the details around the incident form, which all goes into the same shift report. They can add an abnormality. Any quality defects that you want to review as well can also be another form that's added. It's really up to you how you want to structure this. This is a template that we used. You can use your reward system as well to reward points to people who submit. Here we're looking at the in progress section where you can review all of the different shift reports. You can evaluate if there's any issues. You can simply close the report. It's up to you if you want even to have it in progress for shift reports. Some of our customers decide not to. It just goes straight to form reports. But if you want to have a ticketing system for that, you can do that. This is the form report. Basically just shows all of the information captured for that specific shift report. And then here's the dashboard where you can view the data collected around safety observations, suggestions, any abnormalities, any incidents, production information, and so forth. So let us know if you'd like to schedule a quick demo to chat more. Thanks.